Introduction to Programming. What is a programmer? Programmer writing and creating the code that powers software, website application, and other digital system is known as programming. The right instruction that a machine can follow to carry out particular tasks using programming language. In essence, programmers create applications and programs that enhance system, automate procedures, or provide new capabilities in order to address problems. Example, ang usa ka programmer mao ang usa nga nagsulat og code aron makahimo og software, mga website o mga aplikasyon. Ania ang usa ka pananglitan sa usa ka bantog nga programmer. Development cycle. A programming development cycle refers to the unbroken step of defining, coding, compiling, executing, and fine-tuning the program until it is free from all infirmities and the output generated conforms to the expected result. Programming cycle. Number 1. Defining and analyzing the problem. Number 2. Planning the solution. Number 3. Coding the solution. Number 4. Test and debug the solution. Number 5. Implementation. And number 6. Maintenance and documentation. Defining and analyzing the problem. Defining and analyzing the problem is a crucial first stage in problem solving that entails comprehending the problem, figuring out its underlying causes, and evaluating its effect in order to discover the best remedies. Problem analysis. Problem analysis in programming, it is an essential first step in software development because it helps ensure that you approach the problem in a logical and efficient manner. Problem analysis example. Gitahasan ka sa paghimo sa isa ka yano nga sistema sa paggrado sa estudyante para sa isa ka eskwelahan. Kinahanglang kwentahon sa sistema ang katapusang grado base sa mga marka sa exam sa estudyante ug pagtino kung nakapasar ba kini o nabagsak ang estudyante. Defining the problem. Defining the problem in programming is the first and crucial step in solving any coding task or project. It involves understanding and articulating the issue at hand in a clear and concise way. Example, ang usa ka user nga ninahanglan og usa ka yano nga lista nga buluhaton nga apps aron masubay ang adlaw-adlaw nga mga buluhaton. Ang apps kinahanglan magtugot sa mga tigamit. Analyzing the problem. When analyzing a problem in programming, it's essential to follow a structured approach to break it down effectively. Example, ingon niini kung giunsa nimo pagduol ang pagtuki sa problema. Pagbungkag niini sa sistema kong paagi aron masabtan kung unsa ang nahitabo ug kung giunsa kini pagsulbad. Planning the solution. Planning is an important tool on how we should accurately solve the problem than immediately coding the program and then later on realize that our lengthy code is not worth a bit of our efforts. Example, paghimo sa usa ka aplikasyon nga nakabase sa web gamit ang JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or usa ka backend nga adunay Python. Algorithm. An algorithm in programming is a step-by-step procedure or a set of well-defined rules designed to solve a problem or perform a specific task. Algorithm. Nagsulod ang user sa usa ka buluhaton. Ang buluhaton gitipigan sa database, gipakita ang mga buluhaton nga adunay mga kapilian nga markahan nga nahuman o tangtangon kung gisira o giablihan sa user ang app. Kinahanglan nga magpadayon ang mga buluhaton. Intellectual disparity. Intellectual disparity in programming refers to the variation in skill, knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and creative among individuals or teams involved in programming. This disparity can manifest in several ways and has implication for both individuals, performance, and collaborate work in software development. Intellectual disparity example. Kini nga sitwasyon naghulagway sa kalainan sa intelektual. Usa ka mahinungdanong kalainan sa kahibalo, katakos sa paghuna-huna o kahanas tali sa mga individual. Ang proseso adunay lawom nga pagsabot sa quantum mechanic. Samtang ang estudyante nagsugod pa sa pagkat-on, kini nga ang naghimo sa komunikasyon nga mahagiton og mahimong mangayo sa propesor nga simplihon ang mga konsepto aron masabtan sa estudyante. Modeling tools. Modeling tools in programming are software applications or framework used to visualize, design, and document the structure, behavior, and data flow of a system application. These tools help developers, designers, and stakeholders understand complex systems, facilitate communication, and ensure efficient project. Modeling tools example: Figma, StarUML, Archimate, Visagi, Modeler, MySQL, Microsoft Visio. Using a pseudocode. Simplified presentation. Pseudocode use plain structure language that is easy to read and understand even for those with limited programming knowledge. Improve communication. Pseudocode is a great tool for explaining algorithms to teams members, especially those who work in different programming language. Documentation. Pseudocode can serve as documentation for algorithms. Make it easier to understand and maintain code in the future. The use of flowchart. A flowchart is a visual diagram showing the progress of works through sequence of operation. It is a tool well acknowledged by many as an important technique reflective in an instant of the true picture of the entire programming task. So, example, ang flowchart kay nag-provide jud ni siya og step by step. Coding the solution. Coding the solution refers to the process of writing the actual code to solve a specific problem or task using a programming language. It involves translating a problem's requirements or logic into a set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute. Example, panig-ignan, simplified, sa code Python o JavaScript. Programming language. A programming language is a formal system used by developer to communicate instructions to a computer. It consists of a set of rules, symbols, and syntax that allows humans to write code that can be executed by a machine to perform specific tasks. Example of programming language. Ang usa ka programming language usa ka hugpong sa mga instruction nga gigamit sa pakigsulti sa mga computer aron mahimo ang peho nga mga buluhaton. Ang mga pananglitan naglakip sa Python, Java, C++, JavaScript ug uban pa. Test and debug the solution. Testing and debugging the solution are two essential processes into software development that help ensure the solution is working as intended and is free or errors. Example, kung ang database dili mag-update sa husto, i-debug ang mga pangutana sa SQL ug mga tubag sa API. Implementation. Implementation is the stage of development cycle where the planned and intended solution is turned into real, working parts. It is the point at which the thought and ideas developed in previous phases of the cycle are implemented through system instruction, configuration, or coding. Example, i-deploy ang aplikasyon sa cloud server, pananglitan, AWS Heroku, pag-configure og domain name para sa web app, ipaambit ang app sa mga tigamit ug pagkolekta og feedback. Maintenance and documentation. Maintenance and documentation are crucial aspects of the software or system life cycle, ensuring the solution remains functional, updates, and comprehensible over time. So, ang pag-maintain o dokumentasyon importante sa pagsiguro nga ang mga sistema, bisan software, mga building, o mga proseso, magpabiling magamit og sayon sabton alang sa mga tigamit o ubang mga stakeholders. That's all. Thank you.